Let me pass on.
Ready? Psalm 23.
The Lord is my shepherd, you shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He feeds the waters, he restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. And I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I will fear no evil. In your rod and your staff,
For you are with me.
your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare tables before me. It's the presence of my enemy. With my anoint with my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy should follow me all the days of my life. And as for the Lord forever, I seek